Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set a stop limit on Binance on your tradings. So basically when you scroll down you will see this buy or sell option, and right there on buy option you will see a stop limit which you can go ahead and click on, and now you will have stop and limit option. You can go ahead and set a limit here when you want to go ahead and buy, for example, USDT, when it's what is the price basically. So now Bitcoin is 60,000 and maybe you want to go ahead and buy it when it will be lower. And limit, let's make a limit too. For example, when it will be like so. Now it's 60,000, but when it will drop, then you can buy as the stop limit. So it basically works just like that. After that, you're just gonna enter the amount and you're gonna buy. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.